In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your VAT settings within the software and how to submit your VAT returns electronically. Firstly, what we do is log back into our account. Let's go to the hmwilliams.co.uk website, go to your bookkeeping login, pop in your username and password and your memorable word. So once we've logged into our software, all we need to do is on the left hand side you will see a menu option that says settings. If you click into here, all we do is just scroll down, and on the left hand side you will see the option here which says VAT settings. Click into VAT settings. Now if you're VAT registered, make sure that you have this box ticked and you add in your VAT registration number in here, whatever it may be. And also just tick the box whether you're reporting your VAT quarterly or you're submitting your reports monthly. If you're reporting quarterly, just select the correct month that corresponds with how you're submitting. So if it was February starting, I can put that in there. On the front page, on the overview screen, you can see the VAT liability for the current period if you wish to. So just tick that box if you'd like to see that. If you're managing EC sales, make sure you can tick this box as well. And also you have the option to set to automatically lock transactions after you submit a VAT return. That means you won't have the ability to go and edit or amend any transactions that have been flagged for VAT, so your VAT returns will be correct. Once we scroll down here, we've got our VAT rates which have already been set up in the system for you. We've got our default VAT rate at 20%. If you're on the cash accounting scheme, please make sure that you tick both of these boxes, and then once you've done that, just click the Save Settings option at the bottom. If you're on the flat rate scheme, just make sure you tick this box that I use a flat rate scheme for VAT. Put in your flat rate percentage in here and also your prior year percentage. If you're new on flat rate, then you get a first year discount. So once you put that in this box, it will automatically change to your flat rate percentage once that date is finished. Also, we automatically create a retained VAT code for you to record any gain that you're making from being on the flat rate scheme. If you need MOS, then you just need to tick this box saying registered for MOS. That's basically if you're providing services outside of the UK with regards to broadcasting and telecoms. Next, to set up your online filing, all you need to do is just tick this box for enable online filing and then put in your HMRC credentials into these boxes in here, and then once you've done that, just click Save Settings. So once you've saved those settings within the software, then the next thing we'll be able to do is to submit your VAT returns electronically. Firstly, if we go to our dashboard, we'll be able to see, because we ticked the box to see our VAT liability within this front page, we can now see on here our VAT liability for the current period that we're in, so it can keep an ongoing total of how much we owe for this period. If I click Reports on the left hand side, under General Reports, if we scroll down on these to the bottom, we will see our VAT Management and Reports. You do have the option to just pop a little tick box in the star on the left hand side, and once you've done that, it will set that report as a favourite. So you can just go straight to here to run off all the regular reports that you need. To submit our report, all we need to do is click on here. At the moment I haven't submitted any returns, but all of my prior returns will all be listed on this page, and I'll be able to see the filing status of these and drill into the details of them as well. So all we do is create our first VAT report. It will pull through the dates for the current period I selected, and we'll see it's got all the transactions that we carried out today, and it's got our VAT that needs to be paid in here. So once I'm happy with that, all I need to do is just submit the VAT return. So as soon as I press that submit button, that's going to go across to HMRC for filing. I also have the option to print this report off if you want this information in paper form, or you can download all the calculations that make up this return so you can have a look at them in more detail. And once that's filed, you've set up and submitted your VAT return to HMRC electronically.